Two legal powerhouses, LegalZoom and Nolo, go head-to-head. Which platform really delivers for your legal needs? On the left, LegalZoom, America's legal help in your pocket. And on the right, Nolo, empowering DIY legal solutions since 1971. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to the facts. Each category gets a score, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The final verdict might surprise you. Here, how we're breaking it down: price, turnaround time, service variety and usefulness, legal documents and templates, customer support and user experience, and registered agent service. So kinda everything that actually matters when you're DIY-ing your legal business stuff. Alright, let's kick it off with price. LegalZoom, occasionally they'll offer free basic LLC plans, which sounds awesome until you realize the catch: add-ons like a registered agent cost a lot. Plus, they're always trying to upsell you at every step, which can be kinda annoying. Nolo, on the other hand, actually comes in cheaper for packages and for things like a registered agent. Their pricing is way more transparent, not the absolute lowest on the market, but you know what? Compared to LegalZoom's upsells and extras, Nolo is the obvious winner if you just want to keep it simple and affordable. Next up, turnaround time. So okay, LegalZoom does offer rush processing. If you want it done fast, you can pay for that, but between us, they kinda slow walk the standard times, apparently to get you to upgrade. That gets old quick. Nolo's regular processing actually seems a bit faster, and the ordering experience feels smoother. No weird delays or distractions. Neither service is blazing fast, so don't expect overnight magic, but yeah, Nolo definitely pulls ahead in this category. On to service variety and usefulness. And here, where LegalZoom flexes. Seriously, they offer trademark registration, annual filing, virtual mail, ongoing legal consults. It's all the stuff you wish was bundled, it's just pricey when you add it up. Nolo is more about giving you awesome guides, forms, and do-it-yourself resources. Tons of downloadable stuff. But the deeper legal stuff, like annual reports or virtual mail, that's not really a Nolo thing. Still, if you need the works, LegalZoom's breadth is just bigger. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Nolo was founded in 1971? That's way before online anything. They were actually the OGs in do-it-yourself legal solutions. I mean, how wild is that? Now let's talk about legal documents and templates. LegalZoom lets you prep documents online, but it's kinda tedious. You fill out a survey every single time. It gets repetitive, trust me. Nolo, though, has this huge, trusted document library, and you can actually reuse templates for different clients or scenarios. They even let you create your own operating agreement. The only gotcha: some templates need a $99 annual membership. But overall, Nolo is just way less hassle. It's super convenient, and yeah, this round goes to Nolo. Customer support and user experience, this is big. LegalZoom gives you lots of ways to reach out, which is good, but the site sometimes feels like a maze, and oh, the pushy upsell thing shows up here again. Nolo's support is quicker, navigation is simple, and nobody's trying to squeeze extra cash out of you mid-chat. Docs can get technical if you're a total beginner, but for most folks, it's a much smoother ride. Nolo wins it. Alright, registered agent service. LegalZoom's service is fine and they're super established. But $249 a year, that's honestly one of the highest rates around, and you only get the basic must-haves. Nolo charges $150, you get similar handling, and the only weird thing is the registered agent dashboard is not inside your main account. It's its own spot, not a deal-breaker but kind of a quirk. Still, if you're just looking to save and keep things easy, Nolo edges LegalZoom out here too. So looking at the big picture, you can see Nolo nails the value, templates, and support side. They're just more practical for most solo businesses and DIYers. LegalZoom wins if you really need all the bells and whistles, like compliance services and ongoing legal consults. Here's my verdict: for most folks who want to handle legal stuff themselves without breaking the bank, Nolo's the go-to. You get more reusable documents, clearer prices, and a way less annoying sales experience. But if you need heavy-duty features like trademark protection, annual compliance, or you want to call a lawyer anytime, LegalZoom's got you. Most pros, gotta give it to Nolo, hands down. Not sure which is right for you? Honestly, the best move is to compare some sample documents side by side before buying. That way, you'll know exactly what fits your business and you'll sleep better at night.